In today's video, I'm going to teach you AutoDS versus Zik Analytics 2026. Clear winner. Here's the truth up front. AutoDS and Zik Analytics are built for different parts of your dropshipping journey, so calling a single winner doesn't really fit. Instead, the smartest choice is understanding what each one does best and using them in the right order. Zik Analytics is your research engine. Before you list anything, Zik helps you figure out what's actually selling. It pulls in real sales data, lets you analyze competitors, and highlights market trends so you can spot demand, gauge competition, and identify pricing sweet spots. Think of it as your compass for product selection. It answers questions like, is this product moving now, and who is buying it? That kind of insight saves you from guessing and keeps you focused on items with a proven track record. For new stores or anyone testing niches, Zik minimizes risk by replacing gut feelings with data-backed choices. AutoDS, on the other hand, is your operations engine. Once you know what to sell, AutoDS helps you run the show at scale. It streamlines product importing, keeps prices and stock levels synced, automates order fulfillment, and centralizes supplier management across multiple marketplaces. Instead of spending hours updating listings, chasing tracking numbers, or manually placing orders, AutoDS does the heavy lifting for you. This means fewer errors, faster turnaround, and more time spent on growth activities like marketing and customer experience. So here's the practical way to think about it. Zik Analytics is strategy and discovery. AutoDS is automation and execution. Zik reduces the chances of listing duds by guiding you toward proven winners. AutoDS reduces the workload and operational friction once those winners are live. If you're still choosing your first products, put Zik at the front of your toolkit to validate ideas quickly. If you already have validated products but feel bogged down by repetitive tasks, AutoDS will help you scale smoothly. And if you want the most efficient setup, use them together. Research with Zik to build a winning catalog, then run and grow that catalog with AutoDS, handling the day-to-day mechanics. In 2026, the clear winner depends on your immediate need, clarity on what to sell, or efficiency in how you sell it. Use Zik for confident decisions and AutoDS for consistent execution. Pair them, and you'll spend less time guessing and more time growing.